morning. I thought today would be a perfect day to do a sort of mini day in the life.
Mama.
I'm home with...
Mama, me three people.
I'm just talking.
People.
I'm talking for the camera. What do you hear out there? Somebody shoveling? But yes, I thought I would do a mini day in the life today because I'm home with the babies and she's not shoveling and it's snowing like crazy outside. You see the doggy? So I thought I would vlog our adventures today. I really don't have much planned other than like our usual day, but because it is snowing, I think I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna go on a little winter wonderland adventure because it's the first time that it's snowed all year, like properly snowed, and I'm so excited. I hate the cold, I love the snow. So I'm gonna take the babies out for a little winter adventure. I haven't gotten ready. I was gonna shower, but if we go outside, I wanna shower after. Look at that, look at all the snow. Do you see all the snow? Are you so excited to go play in the snow?
Yeah.
Look at the Play-Doh.
Let's out the bill. Here's the cup.
Where's the cap?
It's good.
What did you make?
That's the ice cream.
You got ice cream? What kind of ice cream did you make?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Can I taste some of your ice cream, please? What kind is it? Strawberry? Mmm, it's so good.
It's spicy.
Oh, spicy strawberry ice cream.
I put this on top.
You put it on top. Here, what if I put this here? And then you go like this.
It's
Go.
ice cream.
Wow.
Strawberry. I can have that.
Sure.
This.
Here, let me put some sprinkles on your ice cream. 1 sprinkle, 2 sprinkle. Uh-oh. That's all my sprinkles.
Bigger.
What does it taste like?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, Theodora woke up. We are getting ready to go outside. I actually already got myself dressed. I'm gonna get you ready. Actually, I think we should get Maximus ready, right? Let's go get Maximus ready.
What's it? Ah!
Whoa!
Oh no.
I dropped it. All right, let's get ready to go outside. You need to get dressed, okay?
I opened my door.
Okay. Come here. I have your shoes right here too. Your pink shoes? You should wear your boots.
See this? See this? Hey, alright.
Okay, got my boots.
See this?
All right.
I need down.
Right foot. Dude, your feet are gonna get very cold with your shoes. 2 feet.
I need down.
Yes, you are.
Oh, wait. I see this. Oh my.
Wow. Look at all the snow Dude, your pink shoes are so cool. Let's go see if we can find your hat. We're gonna go on a walk, so I'll be back. All right, we are back inside. It was very cold outside. We went on a short little, what is it called, sled walk. And then we had to come back inside because it was freezing, but I'm glad that we got to go outside for a little bit. Now we're gonna hang out inside for a bit, right? Hello. We're gonna hang out for a bit. No, you know what, actually, it's nap time. We're gonna go take a nap, and then after that, I'll probably have a few minutes to myself, and a few minutes, I like literally mean a few minutes to myself. And then we'll see what we'll do after nap time. Oh my gosh, here we go. Hi, you ready to go? Oh my gosh. You ready to go take a nap?
I want to sit down here.
You want to stay down here? Well, let's go read a book.
Sit down here.
Let's go read a book. Oh my, go get Duka. I don't trust you. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go take a nap. Let's go, let's go. I love you more than chickens up to dance. I love you so much. I'm bananas for you. We'll see you after nap time. Okay. Oh, what a difference. Okay, hopefully Maximus will take a nap. Yesterday he didn't. Do you see the snow outside? Oh my gosh. Okay, everyone is asleep. Now it is literally a race against the clock to see if I can get anything done. Priority number 1 is shower. Okay. All right. I'm all showered. I'm gonna go start making dinner because again, I need to put it in the crock pot. Be quiet. It smells good down here. Okay, so I'm making chicken tinga for dinner. My camera's about to die. She woke up. This is about to join the chicken in here, and that's gonna cook for a few hours. And I'm gonna let my camera charge for a little bit. We're just gonna hang out. Honestly, we're just gonna hang out on the floor and not do anything. So once my camera is done charging, I'll be back. You say, I'll be back. Where's your Play-Doh? See, let me fix it. Say cheese. Everyone is awake. I'm pretty sure Anthony is actually home because I heard the garage open Right now I'm just making some lunch for everyone.
So good.
We're gonna eat
Yeah.
and
And go outside.
we're gonna go outside and play in the snow some more. Yes, after we eat, we're gonna hang out with Anthony for a bit and then we're gonna go outside and play in the snow because it's beautiful. And this is, besides summertime and really, really warm weather, the snow is my absolute favorite. I love the snow so much.
I'm so sad.
You're so excited to go in the snow?
But that's all the snow.
You're gonna jump over the snow. We can bring the sled outside again. This kid is in love with trucks, and snowplow is like one of the only trucks he hasn't seen yet because it hasn't snowed. So seeing these snowplows, he freaking loves it.
Good. The horse that.
Ready? Hey, you gotta tell Dada what we did today.
What did you do?
Because I
In the shower?
No.
take a bus.
Yeah, that's
What are you eating, Rue?
Honey.
Veggie nugs and hummus.
Ah.
And GD's gonna eat too.
What are you gonna eat?
No.
Sweet potato?
Noodles, that's
Oh, wow.
right. The noodles, yum. This girl is an absolute eating machine. Look at you. Look at you. Where did all your food go? Where did it go? We're gonna chill. We're gonna hang out. Maybe I'll just end it here. That was a fun day. Lots of adventure today.
Power bomb!
Whoa! See you next time. Meow.